going to do a little thinking and talking about inductive reasoning. So understanding and using inductive reasoning. Now, first things first, what is inductive reasoning? Now, inductive reasoning is simply using information that you have. Perhaps you can find a pattern, or you're using what you have in order to draw a conclusion. So examples that you see, and then saying, okay, if that's true, then this also must be true, kind of a thing. So, for example, let's find a pattern and use inductive reasoning to predict the next number in the sequence. So if I have 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, and I'm trying to find a pattern, I might notice that going from 2 to 6, I add 4. From 6 to 10, I add 4. In each one, I add 4. So in order to predict the next number, I'm going to add 4 to 18, and I would say using inductive reasoning, the next number in this sequence would be 22, right? That is the idea of how to use inductive reasoning. I found a pattern and then used that pattern to make or draw a conclusion. All right, now let's look at this one. Now, does the statement below use inductive reasoning? And if so, is it a strong argument? So the statement is, for the last 10 days, I have had a bloody nose at least once a day. So I will have at least one bloody nose tomorrow. Now, is that using inductive reasoning? Yes, you can argue yet, yes, this is using inductive reasoning. There has been a pattern for the last 10 days. We're not talking about 1 day, 2 days. We're talking about 10 days in a row. I have had at least one bloody nose a day. So it's reasonable to think that tomorrow that pattern is going to continue and I'm going to have at least one bloody nose. So is that using inductive reasoning? I would say that answer is yes. We've seen a pattern. We expect that pattern to continue. However, is this a strong argument? Here I will say I don't think so. I think this is not a strong argument because what causes bloody noses? Perhaps it could be dryness in the air. There could be a sickness. There could be all sorts of different variables that are causing these bloody noses. And if that has changed, right, maybe you went on vacation for 10 days in a location that is really bad for your sinuses, causing bloody noses, then you left that area, it's likely that those bloody noses may stop. So is this a strong argument? No. Without looking at all of the different variables as to why bloody noses are occurring, I do not think this is a strong argument. But it's still inductive reasoning because we are using a pattern to predict future occurrences. Thanks.